So here we have our apples, correct? And then we're gonna, look. So Serena, look what I'm gonna do. Hold on, Sebastian. Look, Mommy is gonna hold the apple and cut.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, Sebastian's turn.
Hold the apple.
Hold the apple.
Okay.
Hold the apple and cut. Good job.
Oh.
Now, Serena, you're gonna hold the apple with this one. With this one. Because the apple uses a real knife, so we have to practice. No? You just want to do the real apple? Okay, fine. Use a big knife. Use a big girl knife. And then Sebastian's gonna cut it too. Okay. Who needs my help? Can I help one of you to cut it, or you guys just want to do it yourself?
Do it yourself.
You guys want to do it yourself? You guys are cutting apples yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that.
Got it.
You want me to help you, Serena? Yes?
Hold the apple.
Okay, so look, this is what we're gonna do. Give me your hand. You're gonna hold it.
Like that?
And then with this knife, get ready. You too, Sebastian. So you are gonna hold it, and then with this knife, you're gonna cut it, okay? I'm gonna help you a little bit. Okay, down. You're gonna push down. And you too, Serena. You're gonna push down. Oh.
Oh, I did.
Oh, let's go. Let's cut it. Oh, we cut it. And you? Let's see. Whoa. You guys see that?
Yeah.
Do you guys notice something cool about the inside of the apple?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you guys want to cut another piece?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's cut another piece. So this is going to be a little tricky. Good job. And your turn? Let's see.
I did Steve.
Go like this. Like, hold it like this. And then let's. Whoa.
I did.
We cut the apples. Yeah. Sebastian found a seed in there. Do you have any seeds in here? You found a seed too. Do you see that? You guys wanna get the seeds out?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I got it.
You guys are gonna cut it so you guys can get the seed?
Yeah.
So right here in the inside we have some seeds. Be very careful, okay?
Be careful with my finger.
Yeah.
Got it.
You're gonna get the seed?
Help me! Help me!
Help you?
I need to get this. I do it.
Let's see. How do we get the seed? Let's see. Let's hold it. Let's see if we can cut it. Wait! We almost dropped our apple. Let's see if we can cut yours too.
Got it.
Whoa! You guys are cutting your apples. So from these apples, it looks like we're gonna end up using this one. So I'm gonna put it right here.
I got it.
You got it?
Help
And
me.
Sebastian, we're gonna end up using, I think, this one.
Help me
Or
get
this
the
one.
seed. Help me get the seed.
Help you get the seed.
I got it.
You got it? Let's see if we slice it.
Oh, got it. Come out.
Oh,
Got it.
you got it? You got the seeds, they're right there. And you got some seeds
I
too.
want to do it with
Let's
the
put
knife.
all the seeds right here. Sebastian, put your seeds right here.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, you guys can put your seeds right there on the side.
There's another seeds.
There's more seeds in there? Let's see.
No, don't
Oh no? Don't open it. We gotta cut it open. Okay. Oh. No?
I'm gonna kill my
Oh,
hand.
no, I'm not gonna cut your hand. Look, it's right there, the seeds.
I got it.
You're getting your seeds out. That's good. You guys are getting lots of seeds. Oh, it's right here, look. Can we get those out? How do we get those out? You cut it. Wow, we got lots of seeds in there. You're doing a great job, Sebastian.
Got it.
Got it?
I need help. What is cut the seeds?
Okay, keep cutting the seeds.
I got zero D. I got 40. I want to eat apple.
You guys can eat apples, actually. Look, we could eat some.
Mama.
Hmm.
I'm mad.
That's not another one. Here, eat this apple.
Apple.
You guys, how does it taste?
Good.
It tastes good?
Yeah.
It tastes yummy?
Yeah.
Can I have one? Can I eat this one?
Yeah.
Mmm. Mmm.